Let's begin with some breaking news this morning. For that, we're going to get to Phil LeBeau in Seattle. Morning, Phil.
Take a look at shares of Alaska Airlines. Why are we showing you Alaska? Alaska placing a huge, and I mean huge, order with Boeing for 120 new airplanes. The order breaks down like this: 105 737 MAX-10s. That's the stretch version of the 737 MAX that is expected to be certified this year. First deliveries likely in 2027. They're also ordering 5 Boeing 787 Dreamliners as they continue to expand their international route network. When you look at Alaska's order, now, airlines never pay list price for a new aircraft, but if you look at the list prices for these 110 aircraft plus another 35 options, comes out to approximately $17 billion. Not a bad order if you are Kelly Ortberg, CEO of Boeing. By the way, Boeing ended 25 with more orders than Airbus. That is the expectation when the final numbers are announced within the next couple of days. That would be the first time in several years that Boeing outpaced Airbus in terms of orders. Ben Minicucci, CEO of Alaska Airlines, will be joining us exclusively coming up later on this morning on Money Movers. We'll talk with Ben about this order, guys. And what's most interesting is that it's almost 2 years to the day from when Ben Minicucci was giving interviews after the door plug blowout. He was furious. He was fed up with Boeing. He was close to saying, you know what? We're not going to take your planes if you can't improve. 2 years later, they're going to be spending list price value approximately $17 billion on another 110 Boeing airplanes. Don't want to miss that interview. Guys, send it back to you.
Okay, that's fantastic news. Phil, in full disclosure, my chop's just a big position in Boeing. I had John Holmes last night from AAR Corp, and they do a lot of servicing for aerospace. And he was saying, listen, Jim, don't get ahead of yourself. There really aren't any planes available until 2030. But when I listen to this order, I think that the 787s are available, right? It's not 737s may be in tight supply, but Boeing may actually see some of these earnings this year.
And they're ramping up production, Jim. I don't know the exact cadence on the deliveries of the Alaska 787 Dreamliners, but this is an important part of this order. Yes, the 110 aircraft will get the headlines, but these 5 787 Dreamliners, a little bit later on today, we're going to be seeing what they plan to do with these aircraft. It's for expanding internationally. And I know a lot of people who watch this in the United States are on the eastern half of the U.S. They're not familiar with Alaska, and they think, well, that's a nice little airline out there on the west side, on the west coast. They're growing. They're growing. And Ben Minicucci is adamant that this is crucial to their future. We'll talk with him at 11.
Phil, appreciate that. Big news to start the morning on the aviation front. That's what Phil LeBeau.